Hello and welcome to Advanced Camping and RV's virtual tour of this 2019 Carado Axion. This is the first one we've gotten and it is amazing looking. This is on the 17-foot 9-inch chassis. So not much longer than a minivan. Very, very easy to ride in. Has that Dodge ProMaster chassis for a nice smooth ride. You're going to get around 17 to 20 miles to the gallon on it. Plenty of room to do anything you need to in there. Very pleasantly surprised at how well and how open it feels on the inside. This is in the desert sand color, and we'll have aluminum wheels. It of course has the 400 amps of EcoTrek batteries. It does have the Radiant Heat as well, the Aldi Radiant Heat. And then, of course, we order it with Volt Start because we know how much that means to our customers. That's not a standard stock option, but it will completely give you self-regeneration on your power. So as soon as your batteries start running low, your 2 lithium batteries, after 3.5-4 hours of air conditioner usage, the engine will automatically start up and just give you unlimited power very, very quietly, so you don't need a secondary generator or worry about a secondary generator. So very, very slick. And let's take a look in the back here. We have a nice TV antenna with the backup camera on the top here. Got a hitch down on the bottom with some trailer wiring. We can open up these back doors as well. We do have a couple tables. Gets to our bathroom. And let's check out the other side. This is going to be from the Aldi system, the Radiant Heat system. And yeah, let's take a look inside the coach. The chrome grille really accents beautifully with the tan color. So let's see. The first thing we're going to notice is the refrigerator right away, which I thought was a really interesting design. If you're tailgating or something like that, that is absolutely perfect. You can also pull out a table right away. So you have both a table and then you have your fridge right underneath, which does fit right underneath there. So you can open and close the door with this table out. So if you were entertaining guests or something like that, you could maybe have snacks on this tray and still serve food out of the refrigerator. Thought that was pretty slick. And then we'll have plenty of overhead storage throughout. This has just as much storage as the Carado Banff, I'd think, if not even maybe a little bit more. There's a lot packed into this small space here. So the other thing we'll notice too is it has a recessed 2-burner propane stove, and this will give you a lot more counter space to work with. You know, basically instead of the stack sticking up, you can use this as counter space. We do have another table that flips up here too. If you're, want to work with a laptop or something like that, that is going to be absolutely perfect. We have a nice LG television that pulls out and does articulate around, so really anywhere you want to watch television works great. You have your nice sofa here too, and this does go out into a full bed. Comes out into the aisle here as your bed. Up in front here, we'll have a lot of nice storage up above the cab that oftentimes gets forgotten about. And we have the full Uconnect chassis in here. So it's going to have the Uconnect system with a backup camera, GPS on board. Our Volt Start's going to be right under that yellow sticker there. It's basically just a toggle switch, and when that's turned on, it'll restart the engine up to 5 times. And with 400 amps of lithium, that's a lot of power. So you are definitely good to go for any type of boondocking scenario. This is going to be the perfect one for you. And especially in colder temperatures with the Aldi system, that Radiant Heat is going to be just awesome as opposed to just forced air. These, as you can tell, do swivel around, so you can use these captain's chairs. There's sort of table spots all throughout, so you can get a table just about anywhere. Always nice. You have these nice big windows too. These do open quite a bit. And then one side will be the screen, one side will be the curtain. They'll kind of conjoin there. And let's take a look. We got the Aldi system back here. You can control the circulation fans, high, low, depending on how much you need. That all turns on here. You can just about do whatever you need on the touch screen here. And your Dometic touch screen over here is just going to be for your air conditioner. Won't work the furnace at all, but does work the air conditioner. You still have your bathroom light switch, similar to the Carado Banff. And unlike the Carado Banff, we do have a little bit more kitchen storage space, I think. You know, there's a lot of nice storage throughout here. And we even have like a little pantry over here, which is pretty cool. Yeah, nice pantry up above. And a little bit more storage down below here as well. Okay, and then just like the Carado Banff, we're going to have this big bathroom storage. This is going to be great for hanging any type of clothing you might have. And then we have the 3 big drawers here too, where you just get a ton of storage space. And we also will have a mirror, we'll have a pull-down sink, we'll have our shower faucet head here, nice porcelain bowl foot flush toilet, and we'll have a power fan up here to vent out moisture. There's also a privacy curtain that pulls out, and magnets right onto one of the drawers here. This has never been opened before, so let me just get this right. There we go. So yeah, you have a nice privacy curtain, and then there's also the shower curtain right behind it. So you are good to go there. And that is our bathroom. But all in all, we have a nice stainless steel sink here too. These are Moen faucets. Full extension here as well for doing dishes. But an absolutely great coach. I really like what they did too with simplifying the monitor panel here. Seeing so many of the Road Tracks and the Heimers, this is just awesome. I mean, you can turn your awning light on and off here, your battery switch, your resets for your lithium batteries, your inverter switch. Everything's all on just one easy to use panel. And then your lighting control up above here is really easy to use as well. You can dim or make that brighter, sort of your circular lighting all throughout. And then there's going to be individual lights that you can click on and off as well. But this is sort of your main lighting. So you can walk right through the door, turn that on, and sort of dim it to your desired thing. So this is our 2019 Axion with radiant heat. It's on the 17-foot 9-inch chassis. It's got volt start, 400 amps of lithium, so it is very decked out. Also, I should mention 200 watts of solar. Didn't mention that earlier, but it does have solar on board as well, so it is a completely self-regenerating vehicle. 200 watts of solar, 400 amps of lithium, and the volt start. So I mean, that's going to give you easily 3.5-4 hours of air use. If you're not running the air conditioning and you're just using basic appliances, really the solar's going to keep up with just about anything like your fridge and your lights and your water pump. It's just not going to be a problem. So with this, you just never have to really worry about plugging in. You can get in, you can go. It looks like just any other vehicle, so you can park in any normal space. It'll never stick out with it being so short, but it still feels pretty darn spacious in here. I'm really surprised at that, and I think it's an excellent floor plan. So I hope you do too. And if you like this video, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want current stock availability and pricing, check out advancedcamping.com. Thank you and have a great day.